Good afternoon, children. Welcome to Push English. I'm here with the one of the new chapters, The Enemy, from your textbook Vista, the supplementary reader. So let us see what is there in this video. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the famous stories written by Pearl S. Buck, The Enemy. In this video, I'll be discussing little about author, the characters, the main characters in the story, and then how Sadow's Hoki childhood had been introduced beautifully at the beginning of the chapter, then about his education, his present status, then a little about his wife Hannah, the other characters, the challenge that the couple confronted, and then starts Sadow's dilemma whether he should be a humanitarian or a patriotic person, whether he should be a doctor or he should be a patriot. So that dilemma begins and the whole story revolves around this. Then comes info to retired General Takima, info about the prisoner of war, the white man, the American sailor, and then how Dr. Sadow plans his escape. Ultimately, in the end, there is confession done by General Takima. He felt guilty, he justified his action, why he could not send assassins as promised to Dr. Sadow. And in the end, there is a reflection done by Dr. Sadow as to why he could not hate this particular American. So, he ultimately was happy that humanity won over patriotism. So that is all about. So let us see. In this video, I'm going to discuss all this, and in next video, I'll be explaining you the chapter line by line. So let us see, children. So children, today we are going to begin with The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. So let us know a little about our author. Author was born in 1892 on June 26th in Hillsboro, West Virginia, and her parents belonged to Southern Presbyterian missionaries. That is stationed in China, where Pearl S. Buck spent most of her first 40 years of her life. The awards that she has won is the most remarkable one, the Pulitzer Prize in 1932. And she won the Howells Medal in 1935 for The Good Earth, which was adapted as a major MGM film in 1937. In 1938, she won the Nobel Prize in Literature, the first American woman to do so. By the time her death, which took place in 1973, Pearl had already published over 70 books, which comprised of novels, the collections of stories, biography and autobiography, poetry, drama, children's literature, and translations from various Chinese tales. Now discussing about the chapter. Before that, let me just hurriedly tell you about the characters. The characters here are, first, Dr. Sadao Hoki, who is a surgeon cum scientist. Then there is a character, Hannah, Sadao's wife. Then there is General, a retired general, whose name is Takima. Then the prisoner of war, the American sailor, the white man, whose name is Tom, and 2-3 more characters like Professor Harley, the servants, the cook, the gardener, Yumi, the caretaker. So let us hurriedly come to the next slide, and the slide is a brief intro about Dr. Sadao Hoki's childhood. Dr. Sadao Hoki's childhood, he used to climb the pine trees, used to watch the islands, and he used to play along the coast when he was small. The house in which he lived was stone house, which was located upon rocks. It was well above the narrow beach. The details about his education now. At 22 years of his age, he went to America and he returned after 8 years, completing his surgery, degree in surgery. And when he returned, he was a famous surgeon and scientist. Presently, Dr. Sadao Hoki, what is his situation? Where is he? He is not sent to war. There is a war which has broken out between, we are talking about World War, and the two countries, Japan and America, are confronting each other. So he was not sent to war. The reason, probably two reasons. First, the General Takima was not keeping good health. He was suffering from some problem. So he might need him. So that was the reason why he was stopped. And second thing, he was perfecting a discovery that would render wounds entirely clean. So this was the reason why he was not sent to war. Now about his wife. Wife Hana was a pleasant lady. She was very affectionate, caring. And where did Sadao meet her? He met her at Professor Harley's house when he was completing his studies in America. Later on, after completing his studies, because Hana also belonged to Japan, so things become easier. And when they returned to Japan, they married in an old traditional way, like his father wanted. So coming on to the challenge, what was the challenge that Dr. Sadao Hoki confronted? There was a misty night and a staggering body appeared, which was wounded, almost collapsed. A white man, an American, an enemy. He is also referred as POW, that is prisoner of war, in the chapter. Sometimes he is called white man, sometimes by his name Tom. So you have to keep this in mind. So these two persons, that is Sadao and Hana, the couple, they carried him to his father's bedroom. When Yumi, the governess, when she refused to wash him, to wash the prisoner, Hana did the work. The prisoner was operated by Sadao. Hana gave him anesthesia. The bullet was removed from the organ. It was just reaching near the kidney. The life was saved. Prisoner was operated. His life was saved, but he was feeling little feeble and weak. So what happened next? Next was the prisoner was fed and he rested to recovery. The couple took care of him, and prisoner, when he came into senses, he was anxious about his future. He was worried whether Sadao Hoki, being a Japanese, being his enemy, he's going to hand him over to army or whether he's going to leave him. That was the dilemma under which he was undergoing. Then what was Sadao's dilemma? Actually, the whole story revolves around this. Sadao's dilemma was that first of all, whether he should choose between a doctor or a patriot. He was trained to save a life, that was his duty. Secondly, he was a true patriot. So there was a choice between a humanitarian and a patriotic person. So that is all about. Then in between, servants, they threatened to leave in protest that if you're helping this man, we are going to leave, and they leave also after a few days. Then Sadao is also afraid of being called a traitor, but ultimately, giving a deep thought, he resolved to save the prisoner. They stood firm and they treated the prisoner with respect. After that, the General Takima, who was in between, informed about this prisoner. He offered help to Sadao that he will send assassins, but he forgot to send one. The plan was that assassins would kill and remove the prisoner's dead body quietly, but this could not happen because 3 nights passed and no assassins turned up. Then how was the plan for escape of prisoner done by Dr. Sadao Hoki? That is important. This is in the last part of the chapter. Sadao Hoki gave him a boat, and wherein he gave him some extra food, clothing, bottled water, flashlight, and his hair was covered with black cloth so that people could not identify him. He was directed to row with the help of that boat to an uninhabited island. He asked him to wait for a Korean fishing boat there on that island and told him to flash the torch twice. He gave him signal, like he will flash the torch twice when he will run out of food. And if he is flashing it once, it means he is there, he is all right. So ultimately the prisoner escaped. When the prisoner escaped, the confession done by the time General's ill health, he was operated because of gallbladder by Dr. Sadao, and he was saved. But he was feeling guilty because he has failed in his duty towards his country. Dr. Sadao had informed about enemy, and he has promised that he will be sending assassins, but he could not. So he justified his action. He said that it was due to ill health and it was not a lack of patriotism. So he tried to justify this. Then Sadao reflected. He thought that probably what was the reason why he saved this prisoner, why he saved this American. He was his enemy. He could have killed him easily. And he could not understand that he could not hate this American. He should hate, but he could not. So the humanity overpowered his feelings. So this was all about. So if you want line-to-line explanation, you should wait for my next video. I'll be starting that in my next video because the chapter is quite long. So maybe it will take 2 to 3 parts to complete. So goodbye, children. God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah.